How to fix ChatGPT not connecting to application problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix ChatGPT not connecting error. So before we begin, if you guys are new to login helps, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So the first thing that you will need to do is check your internet connection. So you can simply swipe down from the top and then check if you're connected to the internet or not. You can long press on your internet to open up your settings and check if your Wi-Fi is not working or if it's working. You can reconnect by turning your Wi-Fi off and then turning it back on to check to connect to a better Wi-Fi as well. After you do that, you will need to restart your app or browser. So whichever you're using, let's say I'm using my ChatGPT app, I'll just open it up. And if it's still not working, I'll just swipe up, remove it from the background, and restart the app. After that, if it's still not working, you might want to clear out the cache for ChatGPT. So what we'll do here is we'll just head over to our settings, locate your settings app, open it up, scroll till you find the apps option, tap on apps, and after you do that, if you see ChatGPT, open it up. On your ChatGPT, you'll find storage and cache section right there. Tap on that. Then there you'll find the clear cache option. Tap on it, and then your cache will get cleared. Then you can open your ChatGPT up again, and your problem should be fixed. And that's how you can fix ChatGPT not connecting to application. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.